Hello. Hello. What's your name? My name is John. Nice to meet you, John. Pleasure to meet you too. Let me introduce myself. My name is Stick, and I'm your English teacher. So, what do you do? I'm a manager by profession. Where do you work? I work in a USA company. Where are you from? I'm from Turkey. How old are you, John? I'm 30 years old. If you like to tell, can I ask what kind of hobbies do you have? I don't have many active hobbies, but I do like to go hiking sometimes. It's interesting. So when are you ready to take classes, John? We can start tomorrow. Okay then, it's done. It's pleasure meeting you. See you later.